Here are the Romi Wilson puppies, 6 weeks old today. Today is the last day of nursing. They are doing so good, eating food, 3 meals a day. They still love to nurse off mom if they can find her. But mom is less interested in feeding them. At the top of the screen is Rocky with the red collar, Fudge with the blue toy in her mouth. And with the party in the middle is Cookie and Licorice, and then S'more now on the bottom left. Hey puppers! These guys have had their first haircuts. They look all grown up now. Rocky, what'd you find? Found something to pick up and chew. Yes, well, don't swallow it, whatever it is. Come here, stinker. What have you got? Oh, you had a rock. Yeah, well, we don't eat those. That's a bad idea. Hello, Rocky. Hello, baby boy. Ah, that's my fingers. Yes, that's my fingers. There's S'more. Playing with toys. Checking them out anyway. Fudge. She's got the tiny little squeaky, and she's quite happy with that. Hey? You guys have got one eye on Mom. Mom's out there, isn't she? Yep. You seeing her? Fudge, good girl. You get your sister. Yep, you get her. You get her. And there's Licorice. Good girl. And there's Cookie with the toy now. And Licorice is tackling her brother. Rocky, you're you're eating the grass. Chewing on dandelion stems. Hey, you know there's toys out here that you can play with. What's this? What's this? What's this? Yes, you get that. Look, what's this? Good boy. No, grass is way better to play with. Hey, puppers. Fudge. Rocky's at my feet now. Licorice. Is Mom trying to play with you through the fence now? Oh, sure. You didn't want to play with them when they were in here. When you were in here, no. Now you're going to try and play with them through the fence. There's Licorice. Good girl, Romi. What are you doing? There's S'more. There's Cookie. Good girl, Romi. I know, those are your babies. You were supposed to be playing with them when you were in here, but you didn't want to. S'more says, hey, quit crawling on top of me. I don't like that. Hey, Des. Hey, Licorice. Are you going to do a takedown? I don't think your sister appreciates that much. No. She's like, yeah, leave me alone. I don't want to be bowled over. Hey, Cookie. Fudge. You gonna play tug of war with a toy? Rocky, you like the feel of that grass, do you? Sure, just roll around in it. Hey, pop-ups. Rocky and Licorice were squaring off. Yes, that's my feet. I know, I'm trying to get away from you. I'm not wanting you to follow me. Silly puppies. S'more, you're chewing your brother's tail. That wasn't nice. Hey, Fudge. Up, up, up. Hey, puppies. Yeah, shall we go put you back with everybody else so you can play with everyone? Licorice and Fudge are having a good tussle. Rocky's got the toy now. He says, okay, I guess this is fun too. Not just grass and rocks. Yes. You're trying to chew the feet off that thing, aren't you? Thanks so much. There's S'more and Cookie. Hey, Pup-Ups. All right, let's go join the gang. Good girl. Attaboy, Rocky.